everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, yes? Very good. Now welcome to Puchkut TV. Let's welcome you all with the welcome song. And what is the welcome song? You know very well? Hello everyone, how are you today? Hello everyone, hip 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 hooray! Yes, very good, clap for yourself. Very nice. Now my lovely students, are you following the video? Yes, reading the words carefully? Yes, now very good. Now today we are going to learn a new digraph. And you know very well what is digraph? When the two letters combine together makes only one sound. Two letter makes only one sound. Two letter makes only one sound. This is digraph. And today we are going to learn digraph O and O. Do you know what is the sound of O? O. O. And what is the sound of R? R. What is the sound of R? R. R. But when they come together, we will not read as O or no. We will read as O. What is the sound of O-R? O. What is the sound of O-R? O. Or no. The sound of O-R, the first letter name. Okay? O. Let's repeat with me. O. 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 Fast. O. Slowly. O. 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 Okay? Now you know very well. Superb. Let's do the words of O-R. So are you ready? Yes? Very good. Let's start. Now, which letter is this? T. And what is the sound of T? T. O. N. Ton. T. O. N. Ton. F. O. K. F. F. O. K. F. Now which letter? S. And this is T. And what is the sound of S? S. T. O. M. Stone. S. T. O. M. Stone. And it's a tricky word. So let's repeat again. S. T. O. M. Stone. Which letter? C. And the sound of C is K. O. N. Con. K. O. N. Con. B. O. N. Bon. B. O. N. Bon. H. O. N. Horn. Beep 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 beep. H. O. N. Horn. The sound of O-R combined we read as O. Yes? Very good. Clap for yourself. If you like the video, then press the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel for the latest update. So, and ma'am will meet you again in the next session. Till then, bye-bye.